This is the start of day 2 in our saga of putting in our solar. I'm very excited. So today there's a few things on the agenda. One is I'm going to run the main AC wire. Right now that 30 amp goes directly to the breaker panel, and this is what's going to be in most RVs. You know, unless you have an inverter already, shore power will run directly to the sub panel. What I'm going to do is I'm going to run it all the way to the front of the RV where the inverter is going to be installed. So, and then from the inverter you run it back to the sub panel. So those two lengths of wire have to be run so that the inverter can feed power to the sub panel using the batteries. It has a bypass when you're connected to shore power. In doing so, I am going to be drilling some holes. So this will be my first time drilling holes in this puppy. So yeah, we'll see how that turns out. It looks like it's got a foam core. Some places have aluminum, so we'll see if the drill bit that I have, it's one of those bimetal they call them, where that can do wood and metal and so forth, as long as the metal's not like stainless steel or something. So I'm going to be using that to drill the holes, and hopefully that'll be done by today. And basically what I'm going to do until I install, so that I still have power in here, what I'm going to do is just bypass the inverter, just connect the wires over there. I noticed yesterday that the common and the ground are unattached at the bottom. They rusted loose, and I have to put those back on. So in the process of running the 10 gauge AC wire, I'm going to go ahead and attach those two wires. Electricity is such a, you know, such a mystery that how it's working without that being attached is, I don't know. But you know, anywhere that it reaches ground electrically, it suffices to run power. It's just not as safe as it could be. So when commons and grounds come off the body because of rust and different reasons, you know, it can be sort of dangerous because electricity is always finding the path of least resistance. And these trailers, the bottom, oftentimes that's where they attach it to the frame, and it's not very protected. So, you know, even if you're not doing a solar, that might be something you want to check out. It was kind of a surprise to me that they didn't do a better job in protecting it, like putting it in a sealed box, something. So, you know, so I'm going to reattach those and protect them. And in the middle of all this, I'm dealing with my two little munchkins. In all honesty, even with my sister here, Brian's away visiting his family, so you know, even when you have a nana helping out, you still have to pick up quite a load as a parent. You know, sometimes kids don't want anybody but you in order to do certain things. So yeah, it's definitely been a touch and go, you know, as far as getting your attention everywhere, all over the place. I don't know how single parents do it. Much respect to single parents, because I have all the help in the world, and it's tough. And I've noticed that I say basically a lot. It's the thing about doing a lot of videos like I'm doing right now. So that's what I'm trying to do. I'm trying to do a video every day of all my progress. That way you guys get a gist of what you might be into if you do your solar. And you know, you get to know us a little better too, as far as what we do on a day-to-day basis. Yeah, in doing so many videos, basically, I say basically a lot. And I try to get it out during editing when I edit the videos, but I'm not always successful, so I apologize ahead of time. I'll try not to say it. Good luck to me. Here we go. that was fun. Because I ended up having to go to the store twice because I only bought one of these, and I needed 25 to 30, and I was hoping to do it at 25, but I was like, you know, it's just too much trouble. So I grabbed the kids. I love taking the kids out. You know, they're with Nana all day. So I was like, come on, kids, let's go to the store. Of course, kids being kids, I couldn't concentrate. I brought back the wrong one. So I had to drop off the kids, go all the way back. This thing takes like 45 minutes. It's been a workout. But everything got done. The stud finder worked really well in the front where I was drilling the hole. It shows exactly where the metal studs are, so that's great. Sometimes it's not worth looking in too deep in how they build these things. So these are the walls. It's actually not styrofoam. It looks just like styrofoam and falls apart like styrofoam, but they must add something to it to make it really rough and rigid. It still is kind of spongy. And then they have some kind of fiberglass coating on the exterior. And that's the walls, ladies and gentlemen. And that's the floor too. It's just a little thicker. So basically the floor fell apart when I drilled a hole. I had a feeling that's what these were made out of anyway. So yeah, never look too deep in how your houses and cars are built, I tell you. Except for the drama of having to go to the store a few times. This is day 2. The wires are run, and I gotta plan day 3 out, and we'll see how that comes through. Hang in there. A part of me feels silly to be doing these every day to show you guys kind of like a step-by-step video of how exactly this solar conversion is taking place in the RV. But so many people talk about solar, and everybody I think wonders at some level what it takes. So I figured let's just, you know, film the process of me going through it. You know, maybe a professional is a good idea. So hope you're enjoying the antics, and I'll see you tomorrow.
My broccoli, where is it?
Did you like the chicken nuggets that Nana made you?
Mm-hmm.
And I needed anywhere from 25 to 30. There's a froggy outside my window.